Alright guys, I'm getting the code. Exhaust back pressure sensor. I see a lot of guys on YouTube, they take all this off. There's the water bottle, the air filter. The thing is right there. I already got it loose with 2 wrenches. I'm gonna take it off, 2 seconds, put it on, see if that's the problem. Just put my hand under here, under the brake master cylinder. Look, you get right to it with 2 wrenches. One hand here and the other hand right in through here. You get it out. You don't gotta take all that out. Alright, let me get this in, see if this solves the problem. Alright, so I got it out. Took me about a minute to get it out. I don't know if it's I got this from Amazon and it came with a harness, but I'm just gonna put it in there. Pay 12 bucks for it. I mean, it's pretty clean in there compared to that. I know some guys just clean them out, but 12 bucks, I'll put the new one in. See how we do. I'm just gonna, right here, slide it right in here and screw it in. Yeah, the motor's a mess. I gotta clean this motor up. Alright, I need the other hand to tighten it up. Hold on a second. By the way, this is on my Powerstroke 6.0. Alright, let's see what it sounds like now. See if the check engine light goes off by itself. Oh, made in China. Sounds smooth. Let's see. The light is on. Oh, light is on. Okay. The truck feels a lot different though. So let me put the SCT on it and clear the codes. Let's see what we get then. Shut it down here. So let me run through this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm not driving the truck right now, but I cleared the code. And let me take it off of this tow haul. Because it's got that Jake brake and everything on. And then I'll cruise around with it, and if the light comes back on, there'll be a second video. Otherwise, be careful with that coronavirus. Keep your distance. Like me, I've been staying home. And how about a thumbs up? Like and subscribe. Always like and subscribe. Later.